Okay, so Dan is making a video of this as well, but I'm just going to do a quick one. This is the closed Pedro's restaurant in Madison, Wisconsin. Nice spinner there, bell canopy. Looks like it was installed where another one of those was, because you can see the bell canopy is there. But this builder fan obviously would not have come with that. You can see they're auctioning off all of their equipment and inventory here, so that's why we're here. Look at all the plates. But yeah, lots of different fans and light fixtures here. So that's why Dan and I were interested in checking it out. It's a 4-blade Casablanca. What is this? What am I looking at right now?
See if I can find the fan controls. I can see if they still work.
Dan's on a hunt for the controls. Some of the kitchen equipment here. Here's the old kitchen space. Okay, Envirofan spinner. Another nice one with the bell canopy. Those are cool looking. Bar area. Pardon me. Mixer. More equipment. Looks like these are still working. Okay, right, this is near the entrance, another Casablanca. 5-blader this time.
I don't know him, but he's friends with a friend of mine.
Yeah, Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow's Thursday. So you can pick them up Friday and
Stools.
Saturday.
This is a Hunter Seville, I want to say.
I know you said he'd be back in like
It's on
20
the
minutes. But you guys are locking up the
on the
chicken.
Envirofan
If we get back,
canopy.
yeah, on 20 minutes. Trying to figure out we got the timer right there in the back.
They're pretty, right?
Here's one working back here.
Yeah,
That's a noisy one.